In this episode, we dive into the fascinating world of dolphins, one of the ocean's most intelligent and social creatures. From acrobatic jumps to their complex communication, we showcase spectacular footage of dolphin pods in the wild. Our marine biologists explain how dolphins use clicks and whistles to hunt, navigate, and communicate with each other. Hi, I'm here. And join me and my colleagues, marine biologists specializing in marine mammals, for a journey into the heart of the ocean to explore, discover, and learn about the wonders of dolphins. We will show you amazing footage of dolphins leaping through the air, playing with their food, swimming alongside curious seals, hunting together in large groups, and much, much more. But before we begin our journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button to get updates on all our videos. Let's dive in. To start off our journey, we are heading to the coast of South Africa, where a group of bottlenose dolphins are getting a very special delivery of fresh fish from a research vessel. These dolphins have become accustomed to receiving supplementary feeding from the research team as part of a long-term study. Bottlenose dolphins can be found in coastal waters of both hemispheres, typically in groups called pods ranging from 5 to 30 members. These highly intelligent creatures are known for their grace, cuteness, playfulness, and friendliness to humans. The marine biologist narrating this clip is Dr. Roxy Dannon, who has been studying dolphins for over 20 years. She explains that these dolphins are very smart and friendly because they live around people and are used to getting food from them. They also love interacting with humans because it means more food. However, she cautions against getting too close to wild dolphins, as they can drag you down and injure you with their teeth if you touch them or try to ride them. This reminds us that even though dolphins may seem cute and friendly, they are still wild animals and should be respected. As we watch the dolphins play and interact with each other, we learn about their playful nature and strong bonds within their pods. The dolphins use a variety of whistles and clicks to communicate, which allows them to maintain their strong social bonds and coordinate their activities. These whistles and clicks are not only adorable, but also serve important functions such as navigation, hunting, and communicating with each other. One of the most remarkable features of dolphins is their ability to navigate and hunt using echolocation. By emitting a series of high-frequency clicks, they create a sonar-like system that allows them to detect objects and prey in the water around them. When the sound waves bounce back from an object, the dolphins are able to determine its size, shape, and location with incredible accuracy. This ability allows them to capture prey, such as fish and squid, with ease, making them efficient hunters. This brings us to another fascinating aspect of dolphins, their diverse diet. Dolphins are carnivorous mammals that feed primarily on fish and squid. Their streamlined bodies and powerful tails allow them to swim at speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, making them efficient predators. Different species of dolphins have different diets, and some dolphins specialize in catching certain types of fish or squid. For example, the killer whale, which is actually a dolphin, preys on larger animals such as seals and porpoises. One particularly adorable aspect of dolphins is their playful nature. Dolphins are known for their acrobatic leaps and spins, and they often engage in playful behavior, such as chasing each other and riding the waves. They are also highly curious and will investigate anything new in their environment. Their playful antics bring joy to those who observe them and remind us of the wonder and beauty of the natural world. But unfortunately, dolphins face many threats in the wild, one of the biggest being entanglement in fishing gear. When dolphins become entangled in fishing nets or lines, they can suffer serious injuries or drown. This is a major concern for conservationists who work to protect these beautiful creatures. It highlights the importance of sustainable fishing practices and responsible waste disposal to ensure that dolphins have a healthy habitat. Another danger for dolphins is plastic pollution. As marine mammals, dolphins can easily become entangled in discarded plastic or ingest plastic debris, which can cause blockages or ruptures to their digestive system. Plastic pollution is a growing problem in our oceans, and it poses a serious threat to dolphins and other marine life. It's important that we all do our part to reduce plastic waste and keep our oceans clean for the sake of dolphins and other marine creatures. To understand more about the impact of fishing on dolphins, let's visit a research facility. Here, scientists are working to develop solutions that will help protect dolphins from fishing nets. By studying dolphins in a controlled environment, researchers can better understand their behavior and develop strategies to minimize the risk of entanglement. This facility plays a vital role in advancing our knowledge of dolphins and ensuring their survival in the wild. The marine biologist narrating this segment emphasizes the importance of responsible fishing practices and sustainable seafood choices. By supporting organizations that promote responsible fishing, we can help protect dolphins and other marine life from the harmful effects of overfishing and destructive fishing practices. Watching dolphins in their natural habitat never gets old. Their grace and agility are truly mesmerizing. Whether they are jumping out of the water, swimming through the coral reefs, or hunting for fish, there is always something new to discover about these intelligent creatures. Observing dolphins can teach us about their behavior and social interactions, and it can also inspire us to protect their habitat and ensure their survival. Now let's move on to another exciting topic: dolphin communication. Dolphins are highly social creatures who live in pods and communicate with each other using a variety of sounds and body language. They use whistles, clicks, and other vocalizations to convey information about potential predators, the location of food, and other important information. Scientists are still learning about the complexities of dolphin communication, but it's clear that dolphins have a sophisticated language that allows them to express themselves and interact with each other in meaningful ways. This brings us to the next threat to dolphins: noise pollution. The increasing noise levels in our oceans, whether from shipping, oil and gas exploration, or military sonar, can interfere with dolphin communication and navigation. This can make it difficult for dolphins to find food, communicate with each other, and avoid predators. Noise pollution is a growing problem in our oceans, and it's important that we take steps to mitigate the impact on marine life like dolphins. To learn more about noise pollution and its impact on dolphins, we can visit a research lab where scientists are studying the effects of noise on marine mammals. By understanding the impact of noise pollution on dolphins, we can work to develop solutions to protect them and other marine creatures from the harmful effects of noise. Next, let's explore the fascinating world of dolphin echolocation. Dolphins emit a variety of sounds, including whistles and clicks, to navigate their environment and find food. Their echolocation abilities are truly remarkable and allow them to see a detailed image of their surroundings by emitting sound waves and interpreting the echoes that bounce back. This helps them identify objects, predators, and prey, even in low light or murky water conditions. Echolocation is an essential adaptation that allows dolphins to thrive in their aquatic habitats. To learn more about echolocation and other dolphin adaptations, we can visit a research center where scientists are studying dolphin biology and behavior. By understanding the adaptations that allow dolphins to survive and thrive in their environment, we can better appreciate the complexity and wonder of these creatures. We've covered a lot of ground in our journey to learn about dolphins, but there's still so much more to know about these amazing creatures. From their intelligence and adaptability to the threats they face and the ways we can protect them, dolphins continue to fascinate and inspire us. By supporting organizations that are working to protect dolphins and their habitat, we can help ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to grace our oceans for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey to learn about dolphins. If you enjoyed this experience, please share it with your friends and family and leave a comment below with what you learned or your own experiences with dolphins. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting adventures in marine biology. Together, we can make a difference in protecting these amazing creatures and their habitat so that future generations can continue to marvel at the grace and intelligence of dolphins.